Hey guys, now you see this in my hand is the new generic universal micro USB charging retractable cable. Right? It's 100% brand new. It's high-speed data transfer, and the retractable and the pocket size make it easy to store and ideal for mobile users. It is compatible with most devices which have a micro USB port. You can transfer data through a USB port of your laptop or PC. Now let's just try to connect the phone. And a power bank. See how it works. See, it's charging very quickly. It's charging. Okay, so that's all, and thanks for watching this video.